you're updating your website and clicking Save, you expect your changes to appear immediately. But when you open your live website, it's still showing the old version. If this is happening to you right now, don't worry, because in this video, you'll learn exactly the most effective ways to fix it. Hey guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. Before we continue, if you're looking to build a WordPress website without spending days setting everything up manually or having to resolve errors like this yourself, check out Gigapress AI. Gigapress AI is our AI website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce. It generates a complete professional website in minutes and includes fixing bugs just like this one in our plans. Simply describe your business, upload some photos, and Gigapress AI can generate a complete professional WordPress website with pages, content, navigation, and design automatically. Best of all, if you have an existing website, you can just enter your URL and it'll do a full redesign for you using your existing content. And unlike many website builders, Gigapress AI creates a real WordPress website, giving you full ownership, complete access to the WordPress dashboard, and total control over your site. Visit Gigapress.net and try Gigapress AI now. So why does the old version of your website show? The problem is that one of several caching layers is still serving an older version of your website. This could be your browser cache, your WordPress cache plugin, your CDN cache, or sometimes even a plugin or theme conflict. Outdated software can also cause compatibility issues that prevent your latest changes from displaying properly. Let's start with the most common solution. Method 1. Clear your browser cache. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser. Go to Settings, and then click Privacy and Security. Select Delete Browsing Data. Choose a time range. Make sure to select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. If you're using Firefox, click the menu icon and go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Under Cookies and Site Data, click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cookies and Site Data and Temporary Cached Files and Pages. Then click Clear. Once you've cleared your browser cache, reload your website and see if your updates appear. If not, move on to the next method. Method 2. Clear your WordPress cache. If you're using a plugin like WP Rocket, Lightspeed Cache, W3 Total Cache, or WP Super Cache, you'll need to clear the cache. For example, in WP Rocket, go to the plugin dashboard and click Clear all the cache files. If you're using a different caching plugin, look for options such as Clear Cache, Purge Cache, Delete Cache, or Flush Cache. After clearing the cache, refresh your website and check if your changes are now visible. If your site still isn't updating right away, let's check your CDN. Method 3. Check your CDN settings. If you're using a content delivery network, or CDN, it may be serving an outdated version of your website. A CDN stores copies of your website across multiple servers around the world to improve performance. However, those cached copies don't always update immediately. For Cloudflare users, simply open your dashboard and go to the Configuration page. Go to Configuration. Under Purge Cache, select Purge Everything. A warning window appears. If you agree, select Purge Everything. This forces the CDN to fetch a fresh copy of your website from your server. Once the cache is cleared, revisit your website and check if your updates are now showing. If not, let's investigate whether a plugin conflict is causing the problem. Now, if you're running a WooCommerce store and you're looking for a more creative way to generate engagement and sales, check out this video's sponsor, ReviewRaffles. ReviewRaffles is a plugin that allows you to sell seats for a webinar-style review. So instead of running basic giveaways, ReviewRaffles lets you sell seats for a live product review. You set the price per seat, limit the number of available spots, and then customers can buy access to your product review. Then, after the review is done, use the built-in randomizer to select which viewer to give away the product you reviewed to as a door prize. So, if you're looking for a unique way to boost engagement and better monetize your WooCommerce store, I definitely recommend checking it out. You can find the link in the description to learn more about ReviewRaffles. Now let's continue. Method 4. Check for plugin conflicts. Sometimes a plugin can interfere with how updates are displayed on your website. This is especially common with plugins that manage content, layouts, caching, optimization, or page builders. To test for plugin conflicts, go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. Select All Plugins. Choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown and click Apply. Now check your website. If your updates suddenly appear, one of your plugins is causing the issue. To find the exact plugin, reactivate your plugins one by one. After activating each plugin, go back and test the editor again. When the error comes back, the last plugin you activated is likely the problem. Once identified, consider looking for alternative plugins, updating to the latest version, or contact the plugin developer for help. If the problem still persists with all plugins disabled, move on to the next method. Method 5. Check for theme issues. Your theme could also be preventing updates from appearing correctly. This usually happens when a theme is outdated or incompatible with your current version of WordPress. To test this, go to Appearance and click Themes. If you already have a default theme like 2025, hover over it and click Activate. If you don't have one installed, click the Add Theme button. In the search bar, type the name of a default theme, like 2025. Hover over the theme and click Install, then Activate. Now go back to the post or page and try updating it again. If the error disappears, then your previous theme was likely causing the issue. Reach out to the theme developer for help, check for updates, or consider switching to a different theme. If switching themes doesn't solve the problem, continue to the next method. Method 6. Update WordPress and plugins. Running outdated software can cause compatibility issues that affect how your website behaves. This includes WordPress itself, your plugins, and your themes. To update WordPress, go to your dashboard and click Updates. If a new WordPress version is available, click Update Now. If new plugin versions are available, check Select All and then click Update Plugins. You should also update your active theme if an update is available. Keeping everything up to date helps ensure compatibility and reduces the chances of display issues. Once you've completed the updates, clear your cache again and check your website. If your changes still aren't showing, let's use a more advanced troubleshooting method. Method 7. Inspect browser developer tools. If none of the previous solutions worked, your browser's developer tools can help identify what's happening. Open your website in Google Chrome. Right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. Then select the Network tab. At the top of the Network tab, check the box labeled Disable Cache. Now refresh the page. This forces Chrome to load a completely fresh version of the website instead of using any locally stored files. At this point, your WordPress website should be displaying your latest updates correctly. And that's it! That's how you fix a WordPress website that's not updating right away. By clearing your browser cache, clearing your WordPress cache, checking your CDN settings, troubleshooting plugin conflicts, testing your theme, updating WordPress and plugins, and using browser developer tools, you can usually solve this issue quickly and get your latest changes showing up properly. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.